If you experience frequent redness and blotchiness, or if your skin is easily irritated or reactive, PHYTOMER's Soothing Starter Kit has many skin calming solutions. Let's look at what comes in the kit. Gentle Cleansing Milk is a super gentle, hydrating cleanser that you'll want to use day and night. And Rosée Visage is a rose water and seawater based cleanser, toner, and eye makeup remover to leave your complexion feeling super fresh and soothed. This is Douceur Marine Velvety Soothing Cream, and it has a special marine mineral water that instantly soothes feelings of irritation and redness. This makes a great day and night cream. And Vegetal Exfoliant is an extremely gentle exfoliant that removes dead cells without any abrasive scrubby particles and is a perfect treatment to use a few times a week. One of the samples included is Soothing Cocoon Mask. When you apply this after using the Vegetal Exfoliant, you're giving yourself a calming facial treatment at home. And the other sample that's included is called Douceur Intemporelle, and it's a soothing moisturizer that's also an anti-aging cream. It's great for those who are about 45 years and older. And that's everything that comes in PHYTOMER's Soothing Starter Kit.